Hi, I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamati and it's so good to have you here. Today I have my hair care, skincare empties. So I'll be starting with this one from Palmas. Their fragrance-free cocoa butter body lotion. This is awesome. If you have dry skin, you're gonna love this. Texture is thick, but it absorbs so quickly and makes my skin nourished so well. The best body lotions I ever tried for dry skin. Palmas, they make really good body care products, to be very honest. You can check them out for body care. Even hair care, they had one coconut conditioner which is nice. Then I have Mcaffeine, their cream oil. I bought this long time back, then I think I forgot about this. I don't know why. So I tried this month and this is awesome. It made my hair so soft, and since it has this lotion kind of a texture, this is very easy to apply. And I also tried mixing it with this oil, with hair oil. That way also it works really well. And yeah, I do recommend, quite affordable. And also this brand often give this buy one get one or buy two get two, there it gets more affordable. Now I have a body mist. This is from Sogenro, their 39 body mist. About this one, this has this very delicious coconut scent. I liked it, but I love their this caramel body mist the most, the 70, I think 70 or 71. That I'm gonna repurchase. This I enjoyed, but I'm not gonna repurchase because I like that one more. Now I have this cleanser from Colorx, the snail mucin cleanser. It was okay. I didn't like it so much that I want to repurchase it, so I won't. Takes like more time than usual to wash it off, so that can be a con of this cleanser. And from Colorx are their good morning low pH cleanser. That one I'm gonna repurchase. Then I have this one from Dr. Says, their Gulab Glycolic body wash. I quite enjoyed using it. It works on textures and this is quite affordable. 1% glycolic acid is in there. It didn't feel drying, so yeah, I may buy this again. And now I have another body cleanser. This is actually body oil. This is the best shower oil I've used. This is from the Body Shop, their hemp shower oil. But wait for their sale. Don't buy this at full price because Body Shop, they give good sale now and then. My most favorite shower oil ever. Beautiful. Doesn't dry out the skin. Texture is amazing. It feels oily, but when it touches water, it creates foam. It also cleanses the skin nicely and very good product. And then I have my most favorite Safa black seed oil. I've been using this for years. Love it. Can't get enough of this. I mix it with rosemary oil now and it's working even better. And I have this one from Chemist. It is their body exfoliant pigment corrector. The issue with this product I have, it doesn't absorb nicely. It takes a long time to absorb, at least on my skin. For my feet it can work because it has lactic acid urea, which is great, but for my entire body it's just too much. It takes so long to absorb. I'm gonna repurchase. The last thing I have is this one from Ordinary. This again, I dropped something. So this is again, I dropped something. Okay, so this is their AHA BHA pill. Love this. I won't recommend this for beginners. Even teenagers don't need to use this one. About this, it brightens my skin. It works on texture, pigmentation. I use it weekly. I'm gonna recommend it, but do a patch test, and it is a very strong pill, so this is not for everyone. If you have really sensitive skin, this may not work for you. Also, do not apply this on wet skin or damp skin. Do not keep this on for more than 10 minutes. If you are just new to this pill, then 5 minutes would do as well. Use a good ceramide based moisturizer or Cica cream. After using this, use one soothing toner, use sun protection because exfoliants can make your skin extra photosensitive. But this is awesome. So yeah, there you have it, my skincare and body care empties. I hope you found this to be helpful. Also feel free to share about your empties for this month, and I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye.